There are days when everything is fine, like during the summer season when I can bask in the breeze, the gentle morning air, and the rising sun. But seasons change too. Just as birds must migrate to warmer countries, I too must fly away, I, the soul, towards a quieter space. A space where I can rest, enjoy every moment to get to know myself, I, the soul. Because the soul can travel through time and space, propelled by the breath of living energy. However, when I get stuck in the past, I'm not aware of the devastating effect. The more I struggle, the more I lose myself. It takes courage and determination to get out of it. And the best method is to stop moving and return to my own presence. In this space, quiet and safe, which all that matters. Presence to the self. Then, very gently, the winds calm down, and I firmly regain control with the awareness that everything passes. And so I let the past go. I'm now building. I'm creating this space and these vibrations that become a springboard to ease suffering and bring happiness to all beings. Now, I take a few moments to stay inside, to regain all my beautiful energies. I connect with the Supreme Soul that fills me with spiritual power, good wishes, and pure feelings. And I fly again, spreading rays of peace, rays of pure feelings and good wishes for the whole world. I glide, surrounding the entire earth. I glide and I embrace the whole world with my loving wings. With my peaceful wings, and my song pacifies and gives comfort to all. Om Shanti.